Today we will be adding a PVC pipe handrail to these steps. The main steel support pipes are already welded in place and a 1.5 inch PVC cover has been fitted. The print on the pipe can be removed afterward with some fine sandpaper. The step frames are made from industrial shelving beams covered with composite decking. A second coat of white paint will be required for a good finish. The bottom cement will need to be extended after this project as well. The front kick plates on the steps are made from leftover roofing steel. A kick plate will also need to be added to the top step. I had a little trouble with my welder, so these aren't pretty welds, but it won't break. The 1.5 inch PVC pipe slides easily over the steel fence pipe I had. Secure the pipes with a short self-tapping screw to prevent them from moving around. I forgot to include video of cutting the holes for the top. This is a 2-inch PVC pipe. I think the holes were supposed to be smaller. Caulk will fix that later. The extra long guide bit makes using a hole saw on an angle much more accurate. Be sure to pre-drill both holes to reflect the angle you need. Once the guide bit is in place, it goes much easier. I messed up a lot before I figured it out. This is the bottom rail, which is also 1.5 inch PVC like the support posts. The hole saw should be larger than the pipe so it cuts out a nice curve. Here you can see how the finished cut fits. This was probably the hardest part. Pre-drill your holes to make it fit together easier. There's a steel pipe inside there. And here the frame is finished. Now for the balusters, also PVC. These holes need to be just larger than the pipe you're using. I used 1/2 inch PVC, but you could use 3/4. Be sure to start your pilot hole straight, then pivot to your needed angle. Here I am finishing the top handrail baluster holes. I couldn't film the installation of the balusters since it took everyone's hands to position them. I put screws in the top so the rail cannot come loose and have these fall out. The lattice was outside a while and it'll need pressure washed. It's also vinyl. I will 3D print some caps to complete the project. Thanks for watching.